So I made it home. I'm going to pressure wash it now. Bead might be leaking, maybe just a little. Almost got all carried away. We're ready to pressure wash. It's looking not bad, a little gross, but I vacuumed it all out and now it's just dirty. Dirty. All washed off. Seats need clean still. I got a steam cleaner for that. Dash will need clean, but I'm not spraying that with nothing. Back's all cleaned out. Yeah. This is probably going to be loud. We'll see how it goes. I need some gloves, but this is looking great. Get some gloves and finish this up, bring you back after that. Quick before on this seat. Yeah. Got a new one of those too. Got stuff for this thing. Way better. Probably need another clean. Definitely will need some water run through it. Looking the other side now. Holy cow, I hope this shows up on video. That's, I don't think they've ever been that clean. Alright, so I'm pulling the top off because it needs, well, I'm not sure what it needs. It needs stuff. But I have also some parts that have been stashed away for a while. New frame, probably made in China or something. I don't know. It's gotta be better than my rusty one though at this point. I got a new seal. This one is not great. I have never seen this steering wheel. Look at that, no cracks, just those. Look at that. Look at that. Never cleaned the steering wheel in my entire life. I think you can tell. Now I'll have to take this back off to fix the headlights. But that makes me feel better. Anyway. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but this cross member, it's really close right there and not right here. And that e-brake cable is stretched right there, as well as this. Oh, really is a banjo fitting. Gonna have to move that back and weld it back in place. You can kind of see the crack right there, which is what I came here to inspect. Oh yeah, but all in all, not too bad. So that didn't work. Let me just review something. Weird. Yeah, that's where it was welded right there. Right there, if you can see that, looks like something, but I don't know. But that whole cross member is in the wrong place. Yeah, it's not connected over there either. I think the brake line was what was holding it on this side in position, which that's great. Something was holding it anyway. All right, I moved it. I think I want to take it out of there. Do I want to take it out of there? Or do I just want to continue being a hack? I got some time to think about it. These are very... What do you want from me? I only got 2 hands. Alright, I'm gonna go around and do this and get the rest of this top off. Top off. Vertical again. This windshield frame is mostly rust. Yeah. So it's either mostly rust or weird beat up one I got for some money. I'm gonna go see if I can't bang that one into the appropriate shape. So I'm not sure. Looking at it, it's not very flush. So I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this off and have a look. Okay, I lied, I didn't take it out. I just hit it with the mallet and bent this little flange, but now it's nice and flush. So I'm gonna, let's go to the other side here. Slide it over on my workstation. More flush. I think I'm gonna have to hold on to it. Mangling things I don't want to mangle. Anyway, I'll be back. I got most of the weighings out, except for this one. But it does look better than when I started, other than this. Got that all cleaned up. I'm gonna TIG weld that spot weld and hopefully melt it all back into the frame where it never got to previously. So yeah, on to that. Mostly. Except for there's some paint causing problems, but I cannot clean that. So that's what it is. Yeah, it's gonna have to get cleaned up and another coat of paint on it. I don't think I care much to sand it. So scuff and shoot. I was hoping to do some painting today, but probably not. I'm gonna cut that, get this out of the way for the new one, and then get some other stuff out of the way for some other new stuff. Yeah. That was easy. Feeling what's gonna happen with the other one. All the battery acid goes. Excuse me. Okay, got the lines off, and that one, they are very tight, like want to break tight, so I'm gonna use some heat. I don't know if I'll be able to set this up. Yep, nothing. Okay, that's out of the way. And I can get to most everything. That's on the other side. And that's what's next. I think drop the flanges on both sides down there, and then yeah. See if we can get these two off. Oh, sorry. You got it off. Sweet. Not, let's just put it away, huh? Oh yeah, both of those are broke off. That one is broke off right there. So I'm gonna have to get those out somehow. Try that whole welding on a nut trick. Oh, I just fucking welded it to the thing, so that's cool. Probably better just saying fuck it and drilling those. Get a drill in there. Alright, let's see how bad I can fuck this up. Excuse me. You still see what I see? I don't know what you can see, but oh, now it's gonna rain. Okay. Yep. On top it is. Not sure you can see, but there's my red mark. So I got it all the way in there. Okay, so I got to a point last night and the universe told me to stop when I broke that drill bit off in there. Thankfully it's just the tip of a step bit, because I was just trying to clear out that weld because it was knocking my bit that way, which that did work, but now that's stuck in there. Which, lesson learned, just drill these out. Ended up having to resort to the torch, but I got it out. Maybe a little bit of the bolt too. I don't know where it went. It's down here somewhere, but doesn't matter, it's out as long as I don't step on it. All right, onwards. I'm gonna finish drilling these out and hopefully don't break any more shit off in there. Wish me luck. So I went and found it. Needs to go on that. Nope. All better. Here's something very satisfying. Yeah. Look at that. I might shoot up some threads there and but I got that one out. Alright, I gotta screw with this next one. We'll see what happens. Alright, got it all drilled out. Time to tap it. And then it'll be good for now, I think. Yeah. Went and chased all of the threads on all of the bolts. And yeah. Looking pretty good. Just ordered a new set of valve cover bolts because I'm missing a couple, and some gaskets. So those are on the way. But I think I can start installing the manifold. Yeah. What's next? More drilling and tapping and chasing, and got all the flanges cleaned up, so those are ready. And then these are all cleaned up and ready to go. Jeep is a bit of a weird in between, I think, because every time I order something it's not quite right. There's the hole. There's the other holes. And that's the heater. So I'm gonna have to chop this up and cut that off, put it somewhere else. You know, like you have to do when you buy stuff. Sure how well this will show up, but those don't line up at all. So I'm just gonna make a new one of these, or a new one of those, out of some sheet metal. part. Alright, I'm going to put this up on the Jeep and see how it fits. Got it all fit. I'm just going to use the same holes. They're not quite straight, centered, whatever. Don't care. Have you seen the rest of my Jeep? Anyway, I'm going to weld those in. Don't bend those tabs over more. But yeah, a piece there to lock that down.